welcome back to my channel. It is Dee Dee with Dee Dee Loves Beauty, and I'm coming in today with a hair tutorial. I'm showing you guys how I got this style. I'm using the Zury 8910 one pack is enough crochet hair. This is a complete crochet do. I think it came out really well. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share this video to someone that you think may find this video useful. It was really quick. It only took me about maybe an hour to do, and I think it's full. It's definitely enough hair. I started with the links at the bottom. So at the bottom here I have 10, 9, and then 8. And if you want a different look, you can definitely reverse and put the 8 on the bottom and then the 9 and the 10 at the top. And I think it'll definitely give you a new look. In my next upcoming videos, I do want to try and do use this hair again, but if in a different style, and then maybe do the longer on the bottom, and then not the longer, the shorter on the bottom, and then work my way up to see what different look that I get. But I definitely like it. This was very cheap to do. Only thing that I did was purchase the wig head. I already had the crochet needle, and then the hair itself was very cheap. I'll put a link down in the description box to let you know where I purchased it from. I have not seen this in the beauty supply store, but honestly I haven't had an opportunity to go check to see if it's there. But it was, like I said, it was expensive. It is in the style Water Wave, and it's in the color 1B as well. So it is Water Wave, and it's in the color 1B. And again, this is the only pack that I used. I did not use 2. I only used this one. And the advice that I will give is, when you're doing this style, just make sure that I would recommend probably starting at the top and then working your way back, because you definitely want to make sure that you have enough hair to go at the top, and then at the bottom, if you run out of hair, it won't be so bad, and then you'll know that you can continue to space out a little bit further if you feel like you're running out of hair. I didn't do that in this video. You'll actually see that I started from the back and then I worked my way up. And what you didn't see in the video, I think, is I kind of, at the back, I think I packed the hair too tightly. So then I had to, off camera, I went and took some of the hair from the back and then moved it up to the front. But regardless, I think it came out really well. I like it. It's very quick and easy. Summer go-to style. I love curly hair in the summertime, so this works for me. I think it looks like a twist out, a natural twist out. It feels like it. It looks good. So I think it came out really well. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.